there, guys, and thanks for checking out episode 0 of the Work Smarter, Not Harder video series. So, a couple things that I want to talk about here in episode 0. First of all, living life in beta. That's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm living life in beta, trying something new, trying something that I've been thinking about for years, months, at least the last couple of days. Trying to kind of share some thoughts and some tips and tricks that I find useful, trying to share them with you. Hopefully you'll find them useful also. My goal is to share a helpful tip once a week. It may not work out. And the goal of being in beta is to share something that isn't a polished product. It's not finished. I know that I'm going to need to keep working on it and keep making tweaks to it every week to make it better and better as time goes on. But I don't want to keep thinking about it and keep putting it off and saying, oh, no, that's not good enough. Oh, I need to work on this more. It's not quite ready. I'm trying something. We'll see where it goes. I'm open to feedback, hoping to continue to make it better each week and each episode. So I encourage you to do that same thing. Live life in beta. Live your teaching life and your professional life in beta. Think of things that you can try this school year. Maybe they're not going to be perfect when you first try them out, but give it a try. Push yourself to try something new. Do it for yourself. Do it for your students. The next thing that I want to talk about a little bit here in episode 0 is the whole title, Work Smarter, Not Harder. In our lives in general, in our personal lives, in our professional lives, things can be hectic. Things can be crazy. There's all kinds of stuff going on. The systems and the things that we do on a daily basis are the things that I want to focus on. I want to make those things easier for us every single day, every single time that we do them. The repetitive tasks, the things that we do. If we can do something and simplify it and organize it and make it easier for us, then we don't have to think about it. Then our brains and our energy can go towards those more complicated tasks and those more complex things, and we can really focus our energy there. I heard it said one time, it was on a screencast on a YouTube tutorial that I was watching many years ago, and the person doing the screencast, I apologize, I can't remember who it was, he said, the person who wins is the person who has the fewest number of clicks. The person who wins is the person that has the fewest number of clicks. That goes right along with the idea of what are the shortest and the quickest and the easiest ways that we can accomplish these tasks in our digital daily lives. And those are some of the things that I want to continue to share over the upcoming weeks and help you to work smarter, not harder. That's the goal, to continue to put those systems and easy tools and tips and tricks in place in your life, and to continue to reinforce them for me personally. This is episode 0. I hope that you can kind of take some of that, think about it a little bit, and I hope that you're excited to check out episode number 1, which is also available right now. Same time episode 0 is available. You can check out episode 1. And then every week here going forward, my goal is to put out another episode of another tip or a trick that will help you to work smarter, not harder. The goal? Less than 5 minutes every single week of sitting and listening or watching me, and we can together continue to work smarter, not harder. I appreciate you checking it out. If you like what you're hearing, tell a friend. Thanks so much for checking out episode 0 of Working Smarter, Not Harder.